Namaste children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about 4th standard lesson number 1 EVS, the animal kingdom. Okay, in your previous class you have learnt about different animals. You know that birds and insects are also animals. Do you know that we human beings are also animals? Observe the animals that you see around you. Identify the similarities that you find between animals and yourself. First point, animals and we both move from one place to another place. Animals and we both need food to live. Animals and we give birth to our young ones. Right, children? Observe the similarities. So next, look at the pictures above. Observe the differences between you and a cow. You means human beings, right children? And cow. The difference between these two means cows are having 4 legs. Human beings are having 2 legs. Cows are have horns. Human beings are not having horns. And cow is having tail, right? Human beings are not having any tail. So human being, we are all wearing the clothes. Here cows will not wear any clothes. We all together will speak, but cows will not speak. Human beings will prepare food, but cows, they could not prepare any food, right? So here write the differences that have observed in the table given below. I means human being, cows. I have 2 legs, but cows have 4 legs. I don't have tail. Cow have tail. I wear clothes. Cow don't wear clothes. I don't have horns. Cow have horns. I can talk. Cow cannot talk. I can cook food. Cow cannot cook food. Understood, children? Next, Vanaja of class 4 is a smart girl. She has made a list of animals that she saw when she went on a field trip with her teacher. But she has forgotten to write their size, color, food and dwelling. You write them. The assignment has given like this, children. When Vanaja went along with her teacher regarding field trip, she has forgotten to write all these information. Here we have to write all these information. Here, name of the animal they have given already. Size we have to mention, color, food and dwelling. We have to fill all these blanks. I have already written for you. First one, cow. Cow size is big. Color is white. Black also will come. Brown also will come. Which one you like, you can write it. Food, grass. Dwelling, where cow will live? In sheds. Next, fish. Fish will be small. Big also it will be there. So here I am mentioning small one. And many colors will be there in the fish. But I like golden fish. So I have written gold. What fish will eat? Insects. Where it will live? In water. Okay. Next, crane. Crane is size is small. Color is white. Food is insects. Dwelling is pond. Next, butterfly. How the butterfly will be? It is small. color, many colors will be there. I have written black. What it will have? It will eat leaves. Where it will be staying? It will be in the gardens. Next, monkey. Size is small, color is brown, food is fruits, dwelling is forest. Next, garden lizard. That size is big compared to house lizard. Garden lizard is big. Color is yellow, food is insect, dwelling is garden or forest. Next one is rabbit. Size is small, color is white, food is carrot, dwelling is forest. Next, grasshopper. Its size is small, color in green, food is leaves, dwelling is forest. Tortoise. Size is small, big also it is there. I have taken small. Color is yellow, food is vegetable, dwelling is forest. Next, bat. Bat is small, color is brown, food is insects, dwelling is tree. Here some fill in the blanks they have mentioned, children. First one, a few animals like fish live in dash. Where fishes will live? Yes, in water. Monkeys, birds and insects live on dash. Where monkeys, birds and insects live? Yes, it's on tree. Right? Next, many animals like dash and dash live on land. Where? On land. Cat and dog. Right, children? Next, different animals eat different kinds of food. Animals which eat the products of plants such as grass, leaf, etc. are called herbivores. Next point, animals which eat flesh, egg and other products of animals are called dash. It is carnivores. Animals which eat products of both plants and animals are called dash. What? Yes, it's omnivores. Observe the size of the animals you see around you. Spill a few grains in the yard of your house. Sit far away and observe the shapes and sizes of the birds and insects that come to eat those grains. From which animal is the milk used in your house got from? Yes, children? Yes, it is cow, buffalo and donkey. Next one. Make a list of the food items used in your house. Draw a circle around the food items obtained from animals. Vegetables, fruits, cereals, spices, rice, ragi, wheat, meat, egg, fish. We have to circle for which are the items we will get from the animals. We will get meat, egg and fish. You have to circle these, children. Next, write 5 uses of animals. First one is, hen gives us egg. Fish gives us meat. Cow gives us milk. Sheep gives us wool and milk. Donkey helps us to carry the things from one place to another. Correct, children? Next, look at these pictures, children. Here they have given some space to write about the about that animal and uses of those animals. Okay, now first one, birds eat the worm and keep environment clean. Honeybee, honeybee gives us honey. Ox, ox helps plowing the fields. Horse, horse are used in horse carriage. Fishes, fishes eat insects in water and keep water clean. Cow, cow gives us milk. Dog, dog guards our house. Sheep, sheep gives us wool and meat. Isn't it, children? Next, the picture given above shows how the animals are useful to us. Write these uses in the space provided in the picture. We have already written, children. You just copy this to your textbook. Okay. Next, do you rear animals in your house? How do you look after them? Children, I don't rear any animals, so I am writing no, I don't rear animals in our house. If you have any pet animals in your house, you can write about that. Satish and Joseph are friends. Satish has come to Joseph's house to meet him. Here is a problem. The dog is guarding Joseph's house. Help Satish to reach Joseph's house without being caught by the dog. Here they have given the route. Okay, children, it's just for activity for the kids. So the boy has to reach the house, but here is a dog, Joseph's dog. You have to show the way to this boy. Okay, see here, like this he has to come to this house. Next, match the following animal and its uses. Ox, ox is using for plowing. Buffalo, buffalo gives us milk. Sheep, sheep will give us wool. Hen, what hen will give? Yes, it is egg. Horse, horse is used for horse carriage or jhatka we will tell. Honeybee, what honeybee will give? Yes, it gives honey. Fish, eating insects in water and keeping the water clean. Eagle, eating dead animals and keeping the environment clean. Understood, children? Do it yourself, children. You can do this activity yourself. Here are a few tips to make an elephant's mask. It is regarding making an elephant mask. Draw a line like the face of an elephant on a thick cardboard or a sheet of paper as shown in the picture. Let that mask be a little bigger than the dimension of your face. Mark holes for the eyes as shown and cut it. This is a cardboard sheet cutting and drawing the face, children. You can do it for yourself. Next, second one. Draw the shape of ears on another cardboard or a sheet of paper as shown in the picture and cut it. Paint the face and the ears. Stick the ears to its place. Take a long cardboard or a sheet of paper to prepare the trunk. Paint this sheet, fold it in the middle, cut it and let one side be broader than the other. Fold the paper from one side as shown in the picture. Press the folding for some time. Stick the board side of the paper to the part of the trunk. Make small holes on both the sides of the mask. Tie a piece of thread joining both the sides. Now, the mask is ready. Put it on your face and enjoy. Prepare the mask of different animals with the help of your friends and enjoy. When you meet your friends, do this activity on Saturdays or Sundays, children. Even you will enjoy the art. Children, here some riddles are there. Who am I? I have colorful feathers. I am the village clock. Who is that? Yes, it is cock. I am big with a large belly. I have tails but at the front and at the back. What is that? It is seahorse. I have a very small, smart body, long ears and small whiskers. I hop swiftly. Who is that? Rabbit. I climb the top of the tree where no one can climb. I eat fruits. Who's that? Monkey. I am the aunt of the tiger. I eat rats. Who is that? It is cat. Next. Do you know this, children? The tiger is the national animal of India. Nowadays, the number of tigers is decreasing. The Project Tiger, a project of the Government of India, is to preserve tigers. The number of insects is very large in the animal kingdom. A cheetah runs at 100 km per hour. The blue whale, which is 33 meters long, is the biggest animal in the animal kingdom. Some animals like chameleon and leaf insects change their color to suit their environment to protect themselves from enemies. Children, today we have done with reading and whatever the exercise they have given, we have filled everything, right? In my next class, we will see the question answers from the animal kingdom. Keep watching my channel. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.